Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and I'm really excited to share our 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 4MATIC SUV. This is an all-electric SUV, brand new from Mercedes-Benz. Said it's a 2023 model with a gray exterior and a light gray interior. Little dark wood grain trim here as well. Got this really cool two-tone sort of look here. Huge panoramic sunroof stretching basically from the front to the back of the vehicle. Got a large touchscreen display. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. Blind spot assist, of course. Customizable LED ambient lighting throughout. Lots of cool stuff with this one. So the EQS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. You just flip up the Mercedes-Benz symbol there and you're able to get in. Got some brand new all-weather mats back here. That's what these boxes are, don't mind that. But lots of storage space back here. And you can press the button there to flip down that rear seats if you need a little extra storage. And push button to close. No easy day in the shop today, sorry folks. Big fan of the retractable door handles. That's always a fun feature. Just give a little push in the middle and they pop open for you there. Do have heated seats throughout the vehicle, as well as the premium Burmester sound system. That's an upgrade. You'll find those throughout. Rear seats here. Let's take another look at that sunroof. It's huge, just stretches all the way across the vehicle pretty much. You can see those ambient lights as well too. Fully customizable, tons of different colors to choose from. Alright, go ahead and take a quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Super sharp, very futuristic and modern looking, just very clean. It's a really nice vehicle. This has been our showroom floor for one day, and I made sure that we were able to shoot it here today because I know it's going to go quick. So we have memory seats for both driver and passenger side, heated and ventilated seats as well. Really nice. I love that ventilated seat feature. And memory seats are always super nice. You can customize the seats however you'd like, and then save those settings. So as soon as you hop in the vehicle, it automatically adjusts, goes right back where you like it. So driver's seat there, and now our steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. So again, brand new vehicle, 43 miles on it currently. Push button ignition. And again, this is an electric vehicle, so it's very quiet. Can't even tell that it's on. So we got our display here. And then most of the functionality you're going to control is right on this display. So you can easily access, sound settings for FM radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course. You've got navigation right here as well. You've got some climate controls visible already, or you can hop into the climate menu. And of course, you can make additional adjustments as well. Alright, so let's see what else. We've got our different dynamic modes here. Eco, comfort, sport, individual. So that'll affect how the vehicle handles for you there. All kinds of customization options here. We won't go through all of those, but by all means, get on our website, feldmanimports.com. You can schedule a test drive. You can sit down with one of our sales consultants. They'd love to help you and show some of the more in-depth features of this vehicle. You have massaging seats. That's a pretty nice feature. Big fan of that. And then all those customizable settings for the ambient lighting. Lots of different colors. You can set different zones, do multi-colors. Pretty cool. And again, if you're interested in seeing photos or scheduling a test drive of this vehicle or any of the others on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.